Hey, it's your boy Rich. How you doing? Uh, Excuse me, I'm looking back and forth on this screen. I'm using my Wacom tablet here. See that? Little my little helper here. It's nice. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you the process how I did this. It's pretty simple. I'm using the actor, now past actor, Chadwick Boseman, as my subject matter for a Black Panther slash Black Lives Matter slash Black History Month type of tribute type of thing. That's all. It's very, very simple. So let's start off with my process. How it usually goes is I use a shape like a circle. Then I start, sculpting like a caveman over here. See that? And I make sure it looks really nice, and I change up everything. I just get the shape in first, as I'm using a picture of Mr. Bosman, and I'm not trying to be exactly correct with his face or anything. I'm just making sure it's pretty close to his his features, contour. That's all. I'm just making sure it's close to the guy. I'm not trying to be super accurate with that. And after that, I make sure I sculpt that in, sculpt the eyebrows, the hair, the forehead. He got a big old forehead, by the way. But I love sculpting the eye. Look at that, the eyes. I love sculpting the eyes. That's really fun for me. Then after that, I go even deeper into it and start sculpting, the goatee, the ears, the face, cleaning up my little lines here. And I use those lines a lot to it's mostly to guide myself, so I know what goes where, what goes here. So in case it looks, kind of weird and screwy and whatever, I just fix it in post. That's how I usually do. All of it's done in usually Photoshop. I'm using Criteria, that's what it's called. That's the program I'm using. It's on Steam, and it's cheap, so I got it because cheap is better, and better is good. See, I'm getting little features in, little shading and coloring and all that. Just making sure it looks nice, nice and consistent. Because I have great respect for the actor and the character. And you see, trying to get part of his mask in there, and I finally found something I really like, so I kept with that instead. Right, that see that little line work, reminiscent of the movie version, and I really liked it a lot. I was like, okay, I like that. That's pretty cool, guys. I missed saturation and all that until finally I came to this, and I really love the way I did it, and it's awesome. And so what I'm going to do next is something very simple as well. It's just a really quick tutorial of how to do the Black Panther face, or should I say the mask. So to do that is, first off, you got to be a decent artist, number one. And number two, I start with the eyes, actually. The eyes is the most important part, because you got to get like his attitude in there. You know what I'm saying? And there you go. Get the mask in there. Make sure all this is in here. Now, once I start with the mask and the eyes and the head and the hair and the ears and all this other extra stuff, it just, I just make sure it looks panther-like or reminds you of a panther. And I keep the figure in there. I draw that and I draw that. I just do the little stuff, make sure it looks nice, and I fix it up. Oh, also, at the end of this video, if you look in the links, what I'm gonna put in the description, I'm gonna add in my merch store, and of course my Patreon, my Twitter, and my Instagram, whatever I can add in, because I'm just making sure that everything looks good. Because I don't give a crap about no YouTube. Sorry, I don't. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick, show you my process and how I do things. And like I said, I got a merch store ready to go. So if you want to head over there, I have the link in the description. Just check there. Anyway, I hope y'all have a great one. And I'll see y'all next time. I'm just going to fill up my time, just finishing this little design as fast as I can, alright? So here we go. Ooh, haha. Hee. Look at that. And this over here. Alright. So I got a little fun to that. And put the little ears in there. Put little ears in there. I'm just going as fast as I can here. If my voice gets annoying to you, I'm so sorry, but you clicked the video, so that's your fault, not mine.